Hello and welcome to my webinar. This is Melany with Digital Eagle. Thank you so much for joining us today and listening to the messages that we have to share. During the pandemic, I knew that I had to take my business to an online format. I didn't know what that was going to look like, but I was inspired by two beautiful bald eagles that were visiting me each morning in North Vancouver while I was having my coffee and wondering how I was going to take all of the services that I currently offered and put them into an online format. So they were my inspiration. I love eagles. They're resilient, they're powerful, and you'll never see them look indecisive. They know what they want, they know how to get it, and they don't get scared when they're getting pecked at by crows. In fact, they just stand tall and they keep flying. So the company that I started for my online digital marketing agency is called Digital Eagle. So you can visit us at www.digitaleagle.ca. And I would be most pleased to set up a personal Zoom call with you and give you a complimentary coaching session on marketing. I went to school for marketing at BCIT and did once work at the Open Learning Agency Knowledge Network. I have a business diploma and I have worked for a famous chef, Leslie Stowe Fine Foods. I've also worked with famous winemakers and spent time in the wine profession. And I also have worked with a famous scientist, Mr. David Sarita, whom I truly do love his technology. And I've also worked with a number of different people in the hemp and CBD sector because CBD is something that's near and dear to my heart. You're going to find all of these on my collection at www.brandingexperts.ca so that you can see the work that I have done for my clients and some samples of videos. So prior to the pandemic, I used to host and organize events for up to 50, sometimes even 100 people in a room. I had to plan everything. So I've taken those skills and now I'm able to plan webinars and Zoom calls for my clients where I actually can get 50 people onto a Zoom call if it's an area, topic of interest, hand select these people and invite them from my network on LinkedIn. On LinkedIn, I'm lucky enough to be able to have 10,000 followers as I have taken time out to really truly build my network and my business relationships over the course of my career. So I'm very grateful for that. Right now, I'm looking and saying, how can I take what I know and be of service to others? I can help you with your website creation, helping you to design an animated character or an avatar for your brand. I can help you choose the colors. I can help you write the copy for your websites. I can also introduce you to one of the marketing team members that works within our professional network who specializes in creating funnels for you online. And some of these services you can pay for on a monthly basis. If you want to go on a monthly payment plan for some of these services, we realize that the pandemic has had us all planning and polishing and pivoting and also being able to truly give our clients services that they can afford that will work within your budget. So don't worry about that. We can help you get started. Most importantly, I just wanted to outline the core services that we can give to you today, and that is to start with your basic website. We're offering a spring special for an animation character. Normally we charge $600 to $800 for these, but we're letting you have them for $333, which is a spectacular price, spring special. And we also will work with you on an hourly rate basis for all of your marketing materials. And we can do everything from logo design to making sure all of your banners for social media are the right size. This is something that I personally needed help with. And my good friend Patrice designed all of my background banners for all of my social media applications, such as Twitter, such as LinkedIn, such as Facebook. So I'm pleased to be able to offer those services to my clients as well. And of course, if you need support in helping you to start your YouTube channel, I know for me personally, I didn't know how to create a YouTube channel about 1.5 years, 2 years ago. somebody reached out and lent a hand and said, I'm going to show you how to do this. So now what I want to do is just be able to offer that service to you complimentary. If you need help getting that started, I can walk you through the entire process. I just want to give you as much value as you possibly can. And I'm also in the business of giving referrals truly for my clients. So what that means is if you bring a client to me, you will be given always a 10% referral finder's fee. What I would love to say is that I will always go out of my way to make sure that I give my clients and the people that I have in my network referrals for their business as well. This is how we grow and can create a really powerful and beautiful online community, which I have actually already created. So you can have access to that as well, which is really great to be able to work with a group of people that are like-minded. And this is what I wanted to create. And they are all people that are either helping others or giving back in some way, contributing to making the world better. A lot of environmentalists, a lot of people in the health and wellness industry, a lot of folks that are giving financial advice to help others, and even teach them about different investment opportunities and educating people on different things that are happening in our world right now. Like, for example, educating people on the topic of cryptocurrency. So if any of this sounds interesting to you and you want to get started, please reach out to me. Simply go to my website, which is www.digitaleagle.ca. You can find me there and send an email directly from the website. It'll come right to my inbox. Or you can also text me on my business cell phone, which is 604-300-4555. That's 604-300-4555. You can also reach me through email at Melany, so it's MELANY @digitaleagle.ca. So thank you so much again for listening to this webinar. We truly hope that you enjoyed it, and we'll be creating many more so that we can give back and continuously add value to your lives. Thanks again, and make it a fantastic day. Please stay safe wherever you are in this world, and also keep the faith. Keep the faith, because faith is always more powerful than fear. Thank you again.